Come on, come on, come on. Hi everybody, I'm Stefano and welcome back to another almost daily vlog. Today I'll show you a little unboxing of Warcry. The name in Italian is Viaggio nell'incubo or Nightmare Quest. It's a box set for Warcry system. I will do a lot of video of this box and that I won't show you how to assemble, how to paint and some more. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, this is the box. Warcry Nightmare Quest or Viaggio nell'incubo in Italian. In this workbench there is a little surprise for my friends. Is a little kit bash. But in the future I will show you the tutorial. And a little collaboration for another friend. My friend is Drip Minis. It's a good channel. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, what's inside? There are a lot of sprue. I want to search the instruction sheet. I want to search the instruction. Okay, the name is Nightmare Quest. It's okay. There are a lot of sprue inside. Some shank to assemble. Trees. Okay. Wow. I want to paint in green dark style. Yes. Here the bases, and inside this beautiful poster. Okay my friends, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon for another tutorial about Nightmare Quest. See you soon. Bye.